EMO, the world of metalworking. Machine tools and the metalworking industry have an impact on virtually all areas of our lives. Countless everyday articles rely on the key technology of machine tools, often in ways that go entirely unnoticed. In 2013, the metalworking world will take center stage once again in Hanover. Sponsored by CECIMO, the European Committee for Cooperation of the Machine Tool Industries, VDW, the German Machine Tool Builders Association, ensures optimal customer support, perfect services and smooth logistics. Highly qualified experts and decision makers from all over the world will be coming to Hanover to learn about the latest developments. EMO Hanover is the industry's most important innovation forum. The large number of product launches and advancements presented at the trade fair demonstrates optimization potentials in all segments of production technology, from the planning to the process. That's why nobody should miss the world's biggest trade fair for metalworking. Experts from all over the world meet at the EMO in Hanover because it takes technical dialogue and personal business connections to achieve globalization. There's no better way to establish trust and competitive advantages in an international market. The pleasant and engaging environment of the trade fair grounds and the city will make your visit to EMO Hanover a pleasant one, even under the heaviest of workloads. Relax after an intensive day at the fair or celebrate successful business transactions. Hanover has just the right venues for every occasion. EMO Hanover shows where the future of production technology is headed. Come and share the excitement. Welcome to the world of metalworking. Welcome to EMO Hanover 2013.